Today, we will be discussing XRP, along with Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and the SP 500. The intriguing part is that many of these digital currencies are beginning to take shape as significant patterns, fractals, and technical indicators that should help us predict when and maybe even where the next breakout will occur. Beyond that, things like the current situation, the nature of these new technical indicators, and the potential timing of the breakout are all important considerations. A huge bull flag is developing on it, and it could follow the same pattern as XRP. This could potentially lead to a breakout as soon as today or tomorrow, which is fantastic news because, as you all know, weekends usually don't bring much action. Moving about a lot is thus not as common as it once was. As you can see, we are already beginning to see that on the relative strength indicator, RSI. When the RSI flatlines out at 50, it basically means that there isn't much movement other than consolidation. However, this usually changes on Monday when the markets open back up. Similar to the stock market, crypto is now experiencing a surge in volume. Unlike the stock market, crypto markets are constantly trading, so this could happen at any moment. However, this is the desired outcome. It appears that it is beginning to solidify as well. This is incredibly exciting news because an XRP pop could happen as soon as today or tomorrow. The fact that this is a bull flag suggests that a significant upswing is possible. But that's not all. We'll get into XRP later. A massive bull flag formation is also taking shape in this area for Solana. Compared to the one on XRP, this one is noticeably bigger. Additionally, this one has been forming lower, higher, lower, and lower patterns of consolidation for quite some time. And that, too, ought to pop at some point. The situation is analogous to Ethereum, which is also trapped inside a large ascending broadening wedge. These usually degrade. And Bitcoin is no different in this regard. Given that all these cryptocurrencies appear promising, there are going to be a lot of novel issues that need our attention and investigation. I am of the opinion that it will not sustain its current upward trend. In my opinion, our volume is insufficient. Even if we succeed in doing this, my expectation is that we will soon see a small run or reversal, perhaps to the upside, but I still think that's a long way off. We could easily see a run as early as today, so keep your eyes on the markets, especially today, to a thrilling degree. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, have a look at today's episode, hit that like button, enable post certification, and subscribe. Before we get into the technical analysis, keep in mind that the insane BidFi is hosting a trading competition. We're down to our last 6 days before the weekend. As you can see, our current time is 11:02. Now we can see that it's likely much higher. Oh no, 11,200 is still the number. Poor me. I completely disregarded the need to reboot my computer. At this time, the prize pool stands at $11,200. By the end of this week, it's likely going to be closer to $15,000, which is absolutely amazing. Here you can view the 5 most valuable individuals in the holdings. Wow, Jay Porter has gotten it twice already. Seeing the lineup here is absolutely mind-blowing. And out of nowhere, a new individual started showing up from. Jumped up to second place from what was likely 4th or 5th place. That they are dividing up the prize money is the best part. It is absolutely insane that everyone has an equal chance of winning that prize pool. For example, placing in the top 5 is not necessary. Even if you finish dead last, you'll still walk away with a sizable chunk of the prize money. Here you can see how the prize pool is divided. The top 5 finishers will each receive 80% of it. The dissection of that is clear to you. However, 5 traders receive 20% of the total prize money. Do over $100 worth of trading every day. The process of getting $100 is very simple. Imagine a $50 investment or a $10 investment with a 20-fold or 2-fold leverage. You know, there are a lot of ways to change this up. And then, which is absolutely awesome, 5 randomly selected individuals will get 5%. And anybody is welcome to join this trading contest. In other words, you might have an existing BitFi account that's been active for a year or more. You can also enter if you haven't signed up previously. You still have time. Look in the description for the link. Don't forget to click on the first link. Jumping into today's video, we left off yesterday or 2 days ago discussing the potential for an XRP rally. Well, that prediction remains valid as we approach the end of what I believe to be a beautiful bull flag formation. What makes this weekend so intriguing is that we have been consolidating, starting at the end of Friday and continuing through Saturday and now Sunday. As you can see, our performance on the majority of cryptocurrencies has been flat, What excites me even more is that the market seems to be hanging on to this week for something to happen. Things like volume and market cap are displayed here. I think we look fine. We are still at 77 on the Fear and Greed Index, but volume is slowly increasing, so I expect a big reversal to happen soon. However, if you perceive it correctly, there is still a chance for a small decline leading to an increase in value here. Perhaps we still have 30% to go, but that bear market for XRP is about to bring about a 70% crash for these cryptocurrencies. Just make sure you're ready for that. Regarding XRP, you can observe what we're dealing with if I go to the daily chart here. These breakouts have already occurred, and now we are beginning to scale down. Furthermore, we have done this here ad nauseum before. If I can retrieve it, I will show you. Historically, we have begun to pull back down after major rallies to the upside, as you can see. This has happened more than once. This has occurred not once, but twice. And it forms a new technical indicator after a significant rally, and it's highly likely that we'll see the same thing happen again after this pullback. The nicest thing about recent crypto rallies is that there is a lot more potential for movement and volatility, even if prices do fall back down. There will be a plethora of additional trades for this year and beyond in 2025 as we begin to scale down in this manner. Therefore, I can't wait to see this year's outcomes. In the near run, there is this market movement. Yeah, that's fine. The exquisite formation of this bull flag is becoming increasingly apparent. I'm beginning to see it. I'm going to take a few of these down. We've moved on from it. However, this bull flag is clearly visible here. Right now, we're feeling a bit pressured. And when we see movements like this, you know what happens to XRP? I would absolutely, without a doubt, likely that we would make a correction at this point, but even if we verify closure outside of this resistance, we still face full steam ahead with prices easily exceeding $3. We won't know the full extent of this until either today or tomorrow. Plus, I can't wait to see the end outcome. I don't think we have any more candles left. As you can see, this is the one. The anticipation is palpable as we prepare to dump or pump as soon as today or tomorrow. So be on the lookout for XRP, because we should see some action within the next today or tomorrow, maybe even within the next 2 days. And that is excellent news. The most popular cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I use on the channel, BitFi, is obviously where we conduct these trades. Aside from the trading bonus and competitions, there are other obvious options. That is a bonus, or it's sent to your wallet in USDT, which is awesome. Plus, there's a demo trading account and new customers can get $8,100 in bonuses. You could sign up if you're new. In addition to the training competition or bonus, you will also receive $100 worth of free cryptocurrency that you can use however you like. Only a small amount is required. Example, $100 in cryptocurrency multiplied by 10 equals